Hi guys, it's Mike from technomoney.com. In this video, I'll be showing you an alternative way or method to mount your DJI RS3 Pro gimbal. And I know holding the gimbal and trying to get like some cool B-roll shots might take a couple of tries, but I figured out a way to make it steady and give you some cinematic robot arm type of shots. I mounted the gimbal on a slider, but not the conventional way. And this is a movable slider. And the arms are holding the gimbal in place. And the DJI RS3 Pro, it's hanging down from the gimbal. Also, I use this Z mount from Amazon to be able to have it hang this way. Note, this is a sizable payload with the ribbon eye, and the slider of choice is YC Onion Hot Dog 3.0, which can hold this camera, gimbal, and lens. Now I'm going to show you guys what type of shots or movement you can get. I'm currently actively tracking the subject with the ribbon eye, and I can also track it, get better movement by interlinking it with the slider, which already mounted there. All right, once again, it's Mike from technomoney.com. All right, keep creating, guys.